Hi, welcome to the Jaremaga Broadcasting Channel. My name is Douglas Gerald, and today I'm at Mount Fuji. The title of today's story is Where There's Water, There Are Birds. I like bird watching, and this weekend I'm going to be at a conference in Yamanashi Prefecture. I asked a bird watching friend where to go, and he recommended Mount Fuji. If you go to the fifth station, there's a little restaurant and shop. And next to the shop, there are two little ponds. This is the only water in the area, so many birds come here to drink and wash themselves. And many bird watchers come to look at the birds. When I got here today, there were about 10 or 15 bird watchers. I saw 5 or 6 different kinds of birds. They came and washed themselves. Then they jumped out of the water, shook their feathers, and flew off. This happened again and again. I don't know how many photos I took, but I'm sure I took more than 200. Remember, if you're looking for birds, look for water, and you will find some. If you want to read today's story, please go to the Jaremaga website. There's a link in the comments below. And don't forget to sign up for my YouTube channel. There's a little red button in the bottom right corner. That's all for now. See you the next time. Goodbye.